Today we are going to learn about types of animals and birds. So now, what are the types of animals and birds? In animals and birds, we have five types. They are: first, aerial animals. Animals that primarily live in the air and are adapted for flying or gliding. Examples: pigeon, eagle, sparrow, etc. Second, aquatic animals thrive in water environments including oceans and rivers. Examples: fish, whale, shark, etc. Third, terrestrial animals inhabit land environments and are adapted to live on the ground. Examples: deer, tiger, lion, etc. Fourth, amphibian animals capable of living both in aquatic environments and on land during different life stages. Examples: frog, toad, salamander, etc. Fifth, arboreal animals primarily live in trees and are adapted to an arboreal lifestyle. Examples: squirrel, monkey, woodpecker, etc. Thank you.